What's up, everybody? Spooky Zookie here. Welcome back. I'm out here on a hot spring day. They say spring day, but it's supposed to be like 96 today. So I decided not to squid. I wore my jacket anyway, but it's it's breathable, so we're good. But anyway, today I wanted to make a video about I've had a lot of people talk about getting bikes lately, and I don't think they realize how easy it is to get into it. If you want to ride, it doesn't take a lot of money to get into it. There's options out there on Facebook Marketplace. There's options out there on Craigslist. Anything you want, you name it. I mean, you're not going to get like a Hayabusa or nothing like that railroad cheap, but like an entry-level bike or anything like that, something similar to that, or you're not going to get a beast of a bike. Let me get through this intersection. Yeah, baby. But yeah, you're not going to get a Monster GSXR 1000 or anything like that for a cheap price. And when I say cheap price, I'm talking like under $2,000. A lot of people are out there, they're looking at bikes and they're like, I want to get my first bike, this and that. I want to spend like $2,500 or $3,000. I'm like, dude, you don't need that much to get started. I guess it all depends on exactly what you want, but you don't need to look at everybody at the little beach. Yeah, but sidetrack. You don't need a lot to get started. Uh-oh. We got an Enduro little sport. Yep. But you don't need a lot to get started. You don't have to go to a dealership and get a brand new bike just to get started riding if you've never rode before. I highly suggest you not do that, because you don't want to get a brand new bike and learn how to ride on it. But take this bike for instance, this my 05 Suzuki Katana. I got it, actually a friend of mine, the guy I ride with in a lot of my videos, this bike was originally purchased for $200. Yeah, you heard it, $200 this bike was purchased for. He basically purchased it for parts. And it sat up for 5 years in a garage. The story behind this bike is basically the guy he got it from, this bike belonged to his wife, and she passed away for I don't know what. I didn't want to, we don't want to get personal, but that's just what happened, and it sat up for like 5 years. And I got it in pieces. It was leaking fuel everywhere. I mean, the starter switch wasn't working. I mean, it had a ton of problems, but we got such a good deal on it. I decided to, work on it and give her some love, and here it is today, almost 3 years later, still on the road, kicking it hardcore. But yeah, that's just one, example of, it doesn't take a lot to get a bike. If you want to get into riding, just do your research. Whatever you're looking for, do your research, and window shop online, and find somebody that has something that you're looking for a good deal. And you can always like lowball. I did do that with one bike I had. It's on my Instagram. I might post a picture right here. It was a 93 GS5 Suzuki GS500. It was a naked bike. The guy had it on Craigslist for $1,500. It was around Christmas time. I got him down to $800. Me and Jason went and test drove it. Both of us did. Gave the man the cash and rode off. So it doesn't take much. It doesn't take much to get a bike or start riding. Whatever you feel comfortable on, a 250, 500, 600. Get whatever you want. But just don't go to a dealership and get a brand new bike as your first bike. That's a bad idea, because you're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it, and you don't want to drop it and be paying all the insurance. And then sometimes times when that happens, you drop it and it's a brand new bike, somebody gets discouraged and crap, and they're like, you know what, I'm just so pissed off, I don't even want to do this anymore. Sell the bike, done with it, you know. But yeah, there's some examples and just some advice on buying your first bike and buying a used and finding a cheap one, and it doesn't cost much to get into this kind of this hobby. So until next time, Spooky Gang, I'll catch you later.